Here's a little info about the Cocoknits Snips. They are like a tailor snip. They're not made to cut fabric. They're probably not going to cut fabric. They're probably not going to cut paper very well. You see how they just slide past. You can maybe get a little bit of a cut, but that's not what they're really made for. What they're made for is to snip yarn. So if you think, or threads, if you think of using this like you would snap your fingers. If you slide your fingers past each other, they're not going to snap. It's finding that sweet spot and aiming for it, pushing both the blades toward each other and past each other, and right where they meet is where that's going to snip. There's thin yarn, here's thicker yarn. It should just give you that snap, like snapping your fingers, and just snip right there. That's all it's good for. It's not going to cut like a scissors.